You're intimate with your partner. Everything starts well. You're engaged, present, connected. But then, 5 minutes in, maybe 10, you finish, way too early, while she's still just getting started. You apologize. Feel embarrassed. Promise yourself, next time will be different. But next time, it's the same. 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe less. This isn't about premature ejaculation exactly. It's about stamina, endurance, lasting power. And it's quietly destroying your confidence, your satisfaction, your relationship intimacy. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, a urologist, and today I'm going to show you how mixing L-citrulline with one specific botanical extract can extend your stamina by 30 minutes or more, not through numbing, not through distraction, but by sustaining blood flow at optimal levels throughout intimacy. Stay with me, because I'm going to explain exactly what this combination is, why it works better than citrulline alone, and what timeline to expect. Many men already know about L-citrulline. It's an amino acid. Your body converts it to L-arginine, which then converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow to your penis. More nitric oxide equals better blood flow, equals firmer erections. Research proves this works. One study gave men with mild ED 1.5 grams of L-citrulline daily for 1 month. Results: intercourse frequency increased from 1.37 times per month to 2.3 times per month. Statistically significant. Erection hardness scores improved from 3 to 4 on the hardness scale, so citrulline works. No question, but here's the problem. Citrulline alone provides the raw materials for nitric oxide production, but it doesn't maximize the efficiency of that production. Think of it like this. You have a factory making a product. Citrulline delivers the raw materials, but the factory machinery is still running at 50% capacity. You get some improvement, but not optimal results. And for stamina specifically, you need sustained high-level nitric oxide production throughout intimacy, not just at the beginning. But for 20, 30, 40 minutes, citrulline alone can't maintain that level. The production rate isn't high enough. That's where the second ingredient becomes critical. The ingredient that multiplies citrulline's effectiveness, pycnogenol, also called French maritime pine bark extract. This isn't just another supplement, it's a nitric oxide amplifier. Here's what makes it special. Pycnogenol contains powerful polyphenol compounds, including procyanidins, bioflavonoids, and organic acids. These compounds do something remarkable. They stimulate endothelial nitric oxide synthase, or eNOS. This is the enzyme that converts arginine into nitric oxide. When you take citrulline, your body converts it to arginine. Then eNOS converts arginine to nitric oxide. But if eNOS activity is low, which it naturally becomes with age, the conversion is inefficient. Pycnogenol directly activates eNOS, making it work 3 to 4 times harder, so you're not just providing more arginine through citrulline, you're dramatically increasing your body's ability to convert it to nitric oxide. It's like upgrading from a 2-cylinder engine to an 8-cylinder engine. Same fuel, massively more power, plus pycnogenol, improves endothelial function, the health of blood vessel linings. Research shows pine bark extract enhances blood flow, both centrally and peripherally. It protects blood vessels from oxidative damage, improves their flexibility, and maintains their responsiveness. For stamina specifically, this means blood vessels stay dilated longer, deliver blood more consistently, and maintain that delivery throughout extended activity. Let me explain how this translates to stamina. Stamina isn't just about getting an erection. It's about maintaining it at firm, reliable levels for as long as you need. This requires sustained nitric oxide production, sustained blood vessel dilation, sustained blood flow, When you take citrulline alone, you get a spike in nitric oxide within 90 minutes that lasts 2 to 3 hours. But the level isn't high enough for some men to sustain performance for 30 plus minutes. When you add pycnogenol, 3 things happen. 1. Initial nitric oxide production triples or quadruples because enos is working overtime. 2. That elevated production sustains for longer periods. 4 to 6 hours instead of 2 to 3. 3. Blood vessels remain more responsive throughout that entire window. The result: you start with higher blood flow, you maintain higher blood flow for much longer duration. Practically, this means firmer erections that last 20, 30, 40 minutes instead of 5 to 10. Studies on athletes taking pycnogenol showed improved muscle endurance, better oxygen delivery, enhanced performance duration. The same mechanisms apply to sexual performance. Your pelvic muscles, your erectile tissue, your entire vascular system operates at higher efficiency for extended periods. Let me tell you about Arthur, 57 years old, sales manager. Arthur had been taking L-citrulline for 3 months, 6 grams daily, 90 minutes before anticipated intimacy. Results were disappointing, maybe slightly better firmness. But stamina hadn't improved, still finishing in 5 to 7 minutes. I explained the pycnogenol connection. Arthur added it, 120 milligrams daily, along with his 6 grams of citrulline. 3 weeks later, Arthur called. Said stamina had doubled, 10 to 15 minutes now. Sometimes longer. 6 weeks later, consistent 20 to 30 minute performance, Arthur told me. The combination changed everything. Citrulline alone wasn't enough, but together they work perfectly. Then there's Bernard, 63 years old. Bernard hadn't tried citrulline yet, started directly with the combination, 6 grams citrulline, 120 milligrams pycnogenol, daily with breakfast. 4 weeks later, Bernard reported better erectile firmness and stamina of 25 plus minutes, consistently. His wife told me the difference was dramatic, not just duration, but sustained firmness throughout. Bernard said, I was skeptical supplements would work, but this combination restored what I thought was lost permanently. Here's your exact protocol: L-citrulline, 6 to 8 grams daily, pure L-citrulline powder, or citrulline malate, 8 to 10 grams, pycnogenol, 100 to 150 milligrams daily, French maritime pine bark extract, standardized to procyanidins. When to take them? Option 1. Daily maintenance dosing. Take both supplements every morning with breakfast. Builds cumulative levels. Provides all-day readiness. Option 2. Pre-activity dosing. Take both supplements 90 minutes before anticipated intimacy. Peak effects at 2 to 3 hours. Option 3. Combination approach. Daily morning dose plus additional pre-activity boost. Maximum effect. What to expect? Week 1. Subtle or no changes. Your body is adjusting, building enzyme systems. Week 2. Better energy. Some men report improved workout endurance. Week 3 to 4. Noticeable improvements. Better erectile firmness. Starting to see stamina increases. Week 5 to 8. Significant transformation. Stamina doubling or tripling. Sustained firm erections. 20 to 40 minute performance. After 2 to 3 months, optimal stable results. Many men maintain this level indefinitely. Tips for maximum effect: stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. Nitric oxide production requires adequate hydration. Avoid excessive alcohol. Before intimacy, alcohol constricts blood vessels, counteracting the supplements. Consider adding vitamin C. Protects nitric oxide from rapid breakdown. Mistake 1.
该音频
Taking
由 AI
citrulline
生成。
without pycnogenol. You'll get some benefit, but not optimal results. The synergy is critical. Mistake 2. Insufficient citrulline dose. 3 grams isn't enough. For most men over 50, 6 to 8 grams is the effective range. Mistake 3. Wrong pycnogenol dose. 50 milligrams, too low. 100 to 150 milligrams is the research-backed range. Mistake 4. Wrong timing. Taking them. 5 minutes before intimacy. Want work. 90 minutes minimum. 2 to 3 hours optimal. Mistake 5. Expecting instant results. This isn't Viagra. It's not immediate. 3 to 4 weeks for noticeable changes. 6 to 8 weeks for full effect. Mistake 6. Inconsistent use. Taking them some days, skipping others, prevents cumulative building. Daily consistency is critical for sustained results. Mistake 7. Buying cheap generic versions. Pycnogenol quality varies. Look for standardized extracts from reputable manufacturers. Gentlemen, I want you to understand what this combination represents. L-citrulline provides the raw materials for nitric oxide production. Pycnogenol amplifies that production by 3 to 4 times. Together, they create sustained, high-level blood flow that lasts 20 to 40 minutes or longer. Arthur, at 57, doubled his stamina in 3 weeks. After months of citrulline alone failing, Bernard, at 63, went directly to the combination. 4 weeks later, consistent 25-plus minute performance. You can achieve the same. Starting tomorrow, get 2 supplements, L-citrulline powder, 6 to 8 grams, pycnogenol extract, 100 to 150 milligrams. Take them together, every morning with breakfast, or 90 minutes before intimacy. Give it 6 weeks minimum. Track your progress, stamina duration, erectile firmness, overall performance. And remember, this isn't about numbing or distraction. It's about sustaining the blood flow your body needs to perform at optimal levels. If this video revealed a combination you didn't know about, hit that thumbs up button, share it with someone who needs longer stamina, and drop a comment below. Are you ready to try the citrulline pycnogenol stack? Subscribe to this channel, because I'm here to show you the supplement combinations that actually work. Critical disclaimer. This information is educational. Consult your healthcare provider before taking supplements, especially if you have cardiovascular conditions or take blood pressure medications. This is not medical advice. I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, reminding you that L-citrulline alone is half the formula. Add pycnogenol, complete the synergy, and watch your stamina transform. Take care, gentlemen. Until next time.